They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own. Keep blowing with my phone. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. On my own. They say that I'm on the road.
Right, what litre is this car?
1 litre EcoBoost. It's 115 brake horsepower.
That's nice, that's really nice.
Yeah, digital dash. You've got different types of views on the dash as well. You know, I like the Porsche view where it's got this rev monitor right in the middle. It's annoying though, see with this car, right? So watch this, I'm trying to go to the lane and the steering wheel pushes. Look, I'm not even touching that. And it's just like a safety feature. And every time you get in the car, you've got to press this button here, and you've got to turn lane assist off. And as well, always, as I like to do it, put it in sport, you've got to press that in sport, turn auto start and stop. And obviously you can program all this out, but not everyone's got the ability to do that. Traction control it don't always let you do it. It sometimes says unavailable for some reason. I don't know if it's maybe when your car's running up to temperature it lets you do it, but yeah, that's the annoying bits about it when driving. Other than that, very it's quite quiet inside, isn't it? It's got some sort of hybrid electric battery in here as well, and when you put your foot down, you can see like the kilowatts rising all the way up to 85. So it's got some sort of hybridness going with it as well. Let's do a stop and start quick, yeah, all the way. See how it looks from POV. So traction control's off. Open the windows for a little bit of you know, excitement. So launch control basically, revving it up. It's alright, quite nipping it. Let's see how many seconds it takes. 60. Let's try it here. Grips, isn't it? Front wheel drive. Don't know what tyres it's got on it. The thing is, the traction control's off, but it still kicks in. It's still got some sort of dynamic stability thing that's still kind of on, so it don't like BMWs where it can fully turn traction control off. Taking some private roads now and try a J-turn in the car. Do you reckon this car will flip if I try a J-turn?
It's gonna fucking flip. As long as I'm not in it, mate, I'm good.
Right, we'll take it around the bends now, see how well it performs. In the speed, traction control obviously off. Fucking hell.
Jesus.
Woo!
Fuck!
Hey! Right, drop the clutch.
Oh shit!
You thought it was going in there, didn't you? You love it, didn't you? Yeah. When you go silent, you know we're in trouble. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's front wheel drive, but still we'll try it. But we do a thorough, in-depth test. We don't do no pussy tests like these guys do on YouTube. Like, oh yeah, this car does this MPG, and you know, if you drive it like this, it's very smooth. Nah, mate, we take it to the limit. I think it's popped out when we've gone round the bend. Is that one all right?
Yeah, mine's fine, yeah.
I think they got so hot, they're gripping so much, it's making that turbulent sound.
Shit.
Slow down, got to stick to the speed limit obviously. Let's have a little walk around this car. Price range of this car, 21 grand. You can probably get on with a little bit of a higher mileage, let's say like 20k for 18 grand, 19 grand. But yeah, come on Reece, what are your thoughts?
Really nice colour. What colour is this?
A Nardo grey this is.
Very, very nice colour.
Yeah, it's a nice gentle colour that is. But to be honest, yeah, it blends in with the road so much. You have so many people pull out on you with this, you know that. I've had quite a few people like where they're looking at the corner of their eye, they can't see me just because of this colour. Because it blends in with the gravel.
Are very, very nice as well.
The what? Interior?
Indicator. Pulse put on.
Yeah, the indicators are pulsating. That's a VW thing that is. Volkswagen group. But yeah, Skoda, you know, Skoda, Audi, VW, they're all part of the same group. Strong, reliable car, solid. Yeah, it's got loads of space in the back. When you to put it down, you've got to grab this thing here. Just literally whack it. Got Alcantara there. Fabric seats. They hold you in quite well. They're like basic bucket seats. They are quite well supportive around the waist when you're going around the corners. No body roll.
I don't know why. And why is it not hydraulic on this car? I'm surprised.
Yeah, I swear, all these new, I know, all this money you pay, yeah, they still can't put the hydraulic lifters on. They put this basic. It's so cheap, isn't it? But yeah, 1 litre. It's like an EcoBoost. It's got a turbo there. Cap's missing. I don't even know if they're meant to happen or someone's nicked it. Let's go for a drive and let's give it a little bit more of a
push it to its limits.
So yeah, now we're gonna go for a thorough test drive off-road. It's been raining the day before, so we're gonna have some puddles and obstacles on the way. And yeah, Reece is gonna be driving and we'll see. SUV's front wheel drive. We don't expect it to do too much, but we'll see how it handles on the bumpy roads. And yeah, if it's got what it takes basically, It is quick though, isn't it? For 1 litre, it's really quick.
Super quick, super quick.
It pulls, it does shift. Especially if you've got an automatic, I reckon that's going to be really good.
With you driving this, will keep up with top G spaghetti.
Yeah, that's it. Free top G's.
Yeah, no rush. They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost.
Reese, don't fuck this up because I don't want to go in there, bruv.
There you go, fast tip.
Picking up the phone, feel like we go to the stone. When you blowing on my phone, keeping with sexual tone. When I wanna leave alone, you blowing on my phone, keeping with sexual.
Alright guys, we're now going to do a brake test. I don't know if you can make out in the camera, this speed bump here is going to be a human, as if a little kid's run across the road, and we're going to check how safe this car really is. I have to move back for this one.
On my own, no rush, you just take your time. Tell me I'm on. I think that you're right. When I look you in your eyes.
J turn time. Oh my god. Come on, give him. Put your shit in. Look, yeah, bullshit, yeah, bullshit. Hey mate, you have loads of room, loads. I swear, you get a tank in there, bruv. Alright, he's gonna try again. Absolute dickhead, I've never tried this. He's coming out sharp, he's coming out sharp.
My phone on the road, maybe I just lost it.
Jumping in, bruv.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is why insurance prices are so high.
How's it performing off-road?
No, it's actually not too bad at all. We're going through massive potholes. I got nearly stuck in a bit of water. But no, it's a really, really good car. Obviously the colour's sick, nice ride.
Go, don't stop! This car's definitely certified now with that.
Lost control, these nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, you keep blowing up my phone. Lost control, these nights keep on taking tolls. On my own, no rush, you just take your time. Tell me I'm alright, take me through your mind. Say I'm trying to fuck, I think that you're right. I still feel this thing when I look you in your eye. They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, but I'm in love with you home. You keep picking up the phone, still like we colder than stone. Till you blowing on my phone, on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, you keep blowing up my phone. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. On my own. They say that I'm on the road.
Especially for you ladies doing your makeup and you're in a rush, you know, on the way to work. This car's got the best feature, the doors actually shut by themselves. You ready? Show us. Damn! This poor car. Seriously, we're gonna do a raffle, give this away.
Yeah.
Minor.
Let's say 10,000 followers. I'll pick one of the followers randomly on the Google.
10,000 followers, and we'll pick one random, you can have this. One lady only, yeah.
These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, you keep blowing up my phone. Maybe I just lost control.